This is the Trade Father along with Koki.
How's it going?
All right, we're here to talk more advanced about trading theory. And we're going to talk about the three basic entries to get into a trade: a pullback, a breakout, and a color change. As we said in the previous video, each type of entry has a different level of risk. The most risky is a breakout entry, and the least risky is waiting for a color change. We want to talk about how to limit the risk by looking for reinforcements and confluence. Every entry has to be occurring in a level of unfilled orders in a trading area of support and resistance, demand and supply, Fibonacci, or institutional orders. Once you want to enter a trade using one of the three styles, immediately look up for selling reinforcements or down for buying reinforcements. On the chart, you can see the blue box is drawn around what? Selling reinforcements.
Can the reinforcements be seen on multiple time frames?
Yes. Then if they can be seen, then your trade has a higher probability of not being stopped out. Now, if we look over here, the blue box that we can see on the chart, we want to ask ourselves, okay, is it a high probability level of reinforcements? Now, a breakout entry is done by either a market order or a buy stop order. Are you buying or selling reinforcements within the ATR of your trading time frame? So here we can see the blue box, and on the 4-hour chart here, the ATR is 20 pips. All right, now if the buyers or sellers are within an ATR, then the risk of the trade has been decreased because the trade is now protected within the move.
So are those the kind of questions that the trader should ask themselves before entering the chart?
Yes, they should be asking the question right now, is that little blue box 20 pips wide to protect my trade? If it's less than 20 pips, then I am what? Taking on more risk. If that wick was 20 pips long, going up as supply, then we have the highest probability of protection for our trade as we try to go short. Now, the color change entry is proof that price wants to move in the new direction, and a buy stop order is usually used for this entry. A color change should be taken on the refined time frame and close to a higher time frame pivot, which is a level of buyers or sellers. All right, so again, if we look at this trade and we have a color change confirmation, the next highest pivot is going all the way back up into that what? The area that says pullback. Okay, we have a pivot there, and we also have the pivot in the pullback area. Now you have to be aware that these are the only areas that can save your trade going to the downside. If either one of those levels breaks, then you will be in what? A reversal.
So how does this help traders?
Well, this video will help traders make money by helping them to reduce the risk by having reinforcements within an ATR price and having confluence, seeing those reinforcements on multiple time frames. All right, finding your trading personality and stay with one type of these entries. If you change the entry, you will change your mindset and probability. Please click on like if you learned something, or subscribe if you want to see more videos. If you have any comments or questions, please email team@GrowAPairAndTrade.com.